there's only a few things that you can really high leverage things that relate to your sales message, hence your conversion. One is the headline for sure, right? And in Agora, at Agora, we talk about the lead as really, because it's more than the headline. It's really what sets the emotional tone of the whole sales message, right? So it's a little bit more than just a headline. It's about the first 15% or so of the sales message we call the lead. And there's the change in lead, right, which can radically change the conversion rate. And then there's the change in offer. And I fixate on offer these days a lot because I feel like I didn't years ago. And I feel as if one of the reasons why I had to get my marketing ability to the levels that they currently are is because I didn't have that much of a skill set in offers and offer creation. And the better your offer, right, then generally the higher your conversion rate. And what was a real eye-opening experience for myself, and maybe it will be for you too, is to recognize that your offer is not only what you're selling and what someone has to pay to get what it is you're offering, right? But really, if you think about it, your offer is what your customer has to spend in order to get the outcome that they want, plus any effort that they have to do to get that outcome, right? So a customer, if I want a pleasurable night of watching a movie, there are many ways I can go about doing that. And it's not just the price point that I'm going to determine that's going to make my decision, right? It's the price point, but it's also the convenience and what I have to do to actually end up watching that movie. So I could buy a movie ticket, get in my car, drive to a movie theater, sit there and watch the movie, right? I could turn on my TV, buy a movie on Apple TV and watch it there, right? I could join Netflix. So there are many different ways that I could do it, and a lot of it's going to be based on convenience. So my point in saying that is that the offer is not only what you charge, but it's what your customer then has to do after they've paid you to get the outcome that they want. That is critical because that allows you a lot more flexibility in what to make your offer more appealing by taking some of the load off of your customers' back, whether true or perceived, and placing it back on your shoulders. So I've shared this before, but this is something that I love sharing because I just remember when he shared it with me that my eyes lit up. Clayton Makepeace shared with me over a decade ago that when you add an S to a verb, you're taking the onus, the effort off of the prospect's shoulders and putting it onto the product. How to boost your income, right, implies some effort. Boosts your income, plural, right, implies that this thing I have boosts your income, right? So it's a small thing, but when we're talking about offers, we're talking about how can you make the offer better, and one way to make the offer better is to take some of the load of what needs to be done after the purchase to actually get the outcome off of their shoulders and put on your shoulders. And hopefully that makes sense. Let me know.